Doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a video with picture and music in Canva. The first thing you want to do once you're on Canva, I want you to select videos right below the search bar. After selecting videos, you can select the size, video, or the purpose that you're creating your video for. So for example, if you're creating a video for TikTok, you could select TikTok video or Instagram reel or Facebook video or overall just mobile video. You can select any one of these options. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be provided with a blank canvas as you can see right here. Now all you need to do to upload your pictures, you can tap on uploads right here. Then from there, you can select the pictures that you would like to use. So for example, for my first slide, let's say for example, I would like to use this pic. I can simply tap on it, then tap on the three dots right here, then tap on set image as background. After adding this to my first page, I can tap on the page button right here that says add page, the plus. You can tap right there, and then from there you could create another page. So let's say for example, for this other page I would like to add another car. All I would need to do is tap on elements, then from here I could type in cars real quick, then tap on enter. After doing that, I could tap on photos, and then from there you can see the different car photos, and all of these images are copyright free. So that means that you can use them without having to worry about getting a copyright strike or anything like that. Now after adding these images, to add music, all you'll need to do after tapping on uploads, you could tap on upload files, and from there you could upload the audio track that you would like to use. Or you can tap on elements in the top left hand corner. Then from there you could type in, for example, the type of audio track that you would like to use. Or you can tap on music right there, and then from there below the search bar here, you can simply tap on audio, and you can see different copyright free audio tracks that you can use. And you can also zone down, so you could select any one of these options right here below the navigation bar. Keep in mind that anyone that you see with the pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber to use that particular audio track. But there are numerous options that you can normally use that don't recommend that you sign up to Canva, as you can see right here. And once you have found one that you like, all you need to do now to add it, you'll simply pull it to the timeline right there. You can drag and place it, as you can see right there. After it has been added, if it is a case that you would like to edit the volume or so on, you can tap on the three dots. Then from there you can adjust the volume. You can also tap right where you see audio effects, and you can choose whether you like it to fade in or out, as you can see right there. There are numerous editing options that you can choose from. You can tap on adjust right there, and you could adjust it. You can also tap on the volume icon to increase or decrease the volume. Now, if it is a case that you would like to add animation to a photo, all you'll need to do is tap on add page, and let's say for example's sake, I would like to upload an image and then I'd like to add some animation on it. So I'm going to tap on elements right here, and I'm going to select a photo real quick. So let's say for example, I want to select this photo. After selecting the photo, from here you could tap on the three dots and you could tap on set image as background. Then after doing that, I'm going to be adding some balloons. So I can type in balloons right here. Then after doing that, let's say for example, I were to select graphics and tap on see all, and I'm going to be using this balloon. So I'll simply select it. After doing that, to add animation, all you'll need to do is select the image, then tap on animate from the top navigation bar. Then from there, you can see the different animation options. And if you don't like any of these options, you can create your own movement. So for example, you could tap on create an animation in the top left hand corner. Then from there, I would like it to go up. So I'm going to simply pull it up, as you can see right there. After doing that, you can decrease or you can increase the speed. So you can see it right there. And I'm going to smooth it out. After doing that, I'll tap on done. And you can do this same thing with any other image to add an animation. So for example, if I were to play it, you can see right there. And you can also adjust the audio track, so I can pull along right there. And if it is a case that you would like to add a transition in between, you can do that by simply tapping right in between the pages. Then from there you could add a transition, and you can see the different transition options that you can choose from. So you can see them right there. Tap between the pages, then tap on add transition. Then from there you can select the transition that you would like to use. And if I were to tap on play, you can see how it looks. You can see it right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.